With the new iOS 15 update, iPhone users can share a link to join a FaceTime call, making it possible for people with Android and Windows devices to answer these calls. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to send a FaceTime link from your iPhone, as well as how to join a FaceTime call through these links. Now let's get started. To begin, open the FaceTime app on your iPhone. Then select Create Link. Tap Add Name to create a name for your call if you like. Now choose an app to share the link through, like Messages, Mail, WhatsApp, or Messenger. Or you can tap Copy and paste the link into a message to the people you'd like to invite through any messaging app of your choice. To join the call, tap the name of the FaceTime link you just created. Then tap Join. Once the people you've invited click your invitation link, you can tap the check mark beside their name to let them into the call. During the call, tap the name of your call at the top to access more options. Here you'll find an option to share the link with additional people and invite them into your FaceTime call. To join a FaceTime call through a link, click the FaceTime link you were sent. Enter your name and tap Continue. From there, you'll be taken to the waiting room, where the person who started the call can let you in. That's all it takes to create a FaceTime link and how to join a call through a FaceTime link. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.